And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. And today, we got a little bit of a different video from what I usually make. We have an unboxing of some headphones. And I usually don't do unboxing videos, but I think these are pretty interesting. And I didn't see a lot of reviews out there on them. So I kind of just wanted to do a quick review. But I got these headphones. These are wireless headphones. And I got them because I wanted them to be like AirPods. And I don't have, let me say this right now. I don't have a iPhone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S8. Works fine for me. I'm a Android guy. So, you know, whatever. But these, for the most part, are supposed to be like a don't mind the trash in case you can see it. Or whatever. Or just random stuff everywhere. But it's supposed to be like a good, you know, alternative to the iPhone. Now here's the thing about them. They only cost, well, to the AirPods, but they only cost $40. And I actually got them for a little bit cheaper, for $30 on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below, and they just came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this unboxing. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so here we have the box right here that you guys just saw. And I'm not really sure why it says TSW, but these are the Augymer wireless headphones. There you are, TSW earphones. But like I said, they were called the Augymer headphones, so I don't know why that says that, but you know, whatever. Only thing I did was just hit the tape in the back, and I just opened it just to make sure that everything was fine, but I haven't really like opened it yet. But I'll go ahead and get this open. Alright, there you are. This, of course, gonna guess the instruction manual, something like that. Nope, dear buyer, whatever. Yeah, something like that. And here we have the actual thing here, and this is like the little battery pack that it came in. This is what you actually put them in, because when you go to slide this up, there are the headphones right there. We'll get to that in a second. But this is actually a little bigger than what I thought. I thought this would be a little bit smaller, which is fine. I'm totally fine with it being this size. But I'm just saying I thought it would be a little bit smaller. It's actually a little bigger. Here's my Samsung Galaxy S8 compared to it. As you can see, just for some size comparison. And as you can see, it has a little charger on the back. There we go. But the interesting thing about it says it's at 53%. The interesting thing about it is that when I first opened this up and I just took out the headphones just to see that they were good and everything, you know, put them back in, it says 72%. So I don't know if that's just because of the battery life that, you know, it just came with in the box or whatever, or if it just goes that fast. I mean, we'll find out later on down the line when I do an actual review, because I'm sure if I'm doing an unboxing, you guys are going to want a review of it later on, right? But yeah, so here we are, you know, they're nice and open and everything, and it uses a Type-C. That's another thing. I didn't want to have to go back to micro USB, because I got rid of a lot of my micro USB cables. And right there, if it focuses in for me, right there, as you can see, it uses the Type-C. And me having the Samsung Galaxy S8, that's what I need. But the thing about this pack is that you can also evidently charge other things off of it, so it also doubles as an external battery, which is extremely dope to me, and that was a huge selling point for me. Huge selling point, I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, this is already starting to be a pretty good bang for your buck for $40, if you ask me. You know, I don't know how long, you know, it'll charge. It says the actual charging case can hold up to 160 hours of charge time, so, you know, yeah, we'll just take that for what it is. Alright, as we go to get this open. Now when they first come in, as you can see right there, it's got a little magnet thing. There's actually a little plastic thing covering it. You just peel it off and it'll be totally fine. But right there where it snaps in at, as you can see, pretty sure you can hear that. Well, let me use this one so you can actually see it better. It's a nice little like magnetic confirmation that it's in there. It's in there pretty well too. It's great. Alright, now evidently you can use these one pair at a time. I haven't linked them up to my phone or anything. Oh, there's the light. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get that. So I guess the red shows that it's charging, right? Go to take it off. Start shining blue. Guess obviously it wants to link to something. But yeah. Alright. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Alright. I mean, it feels, honestly, it feels comfortable. It feels like it wants to come out, honestly. But that could just be the way it feels. It might not actually want to, like, drop out. I mean, that didn't move from me doing that. And most other headphones that aren't secure in your head, you know, they would just fall out, but that's holding, sorry about that, that's holding strong. Feels good. Looks good, too. Cause see, I got these for when I'm just out like filming, or cause if you don't, wow, yeah, if you don't know about me or any of the videos that I make, I do a lot of like street racing and like car content, but I also make all other kinds of videos. I film documentaries and all that kind of stuff. So sometimes I need like headphones just to sit in real fast so I can take certain phone calls. And for being honest, I'm also a mechanic, and when I'm at work, so I can listen to music. I'm a boss knowing. So these are very slick and nice. Let's see. I'll jump around a little bit or something like that. Nothing. I like that. I like that. I like that. So we're just going to sit this. We'll close that for the time being. And we'll just sit that right there. So as we keep on going through the box, take this little compartment out. Here you have your Type-C cable that it comes with to charge. And that's it. Looks like the instructions are incomplete Japanese. So no use in reading them, because yeah, it's unless you can read, well, I'm not sure. Well, let me not be like that. I'm not sure what it is. It could be Japanese, it could be Chinese. I'm not 100% sure. But oh, actually, no, I lied. There's a okay, so it would seem that one side is Japanese or Chinese, and the other side is all in English. So I guess we'll go ahead and start going down the list for you of the Augymer Bluetooth headphones and everything that it tells you. So it is a Bluetooth version, Bluetooth 5.0. So these are Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. Transmission distance 15 meters, so about 30 feet or so. If I'm not mistaken, that's just off the top of my head. So if I'm wrong, please drop it down in the comments and I will pin it. Alright, let's see. It's a 40 milliamp earphone battery. And it says it's about 200 hours of standby time, but so far as continuous playtime, you have about 3 to 4 hours of playtime, so that's pretty good. And that's individual. So like, let's say if you use one headphone and you get about 3 hours out of that, and then you go to use the other side for 3 hours. Essentially, you can make it like a 6-hour kind of thing if you want to use one single headphone at a time. Of course, obviously, if you're using both at the same time, then it's gonna be more closer to like the 3 hours. And it supports both iOS and Android. So yeah, that's pretty much, I guess that's pretty much all you need to know. I mean, it has different other features, like to power on, you press the power key for about 2 seconds. To answer a call, you press the power key once. To hang up, you press it once again. To refuse calls, press and hold the power key for 1 second. And then just various things here and there. And then like different things you do on each ear when you have the headphones both out at the same time and you're using them. The left side controls the volume up, and the right side controls the volume down. So that's pretty cool and everything like that, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I mean, extremely technical with it. Everything else is just, you know, just other stuff that if you wanted to read, you could probably like just Google it. because I'm not gonna go in detail in this video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start pairing it. By the way, I want to point something out. I said this is Augymer, but if you see this, it has a different brand on the actual like device, and I'm not sure what's going on there. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I did get this off of Augymer's actual Amazon account. So yeah. Alright, so I have them in, and they're all paired up. They came up as KC10. The only thing you have to do is just hold down the right side earphone, and it'll pop right up, and then you just hit the Bluetooth, and it comes right up. But they feel really nice. I'm actually on the phone with someone right now, and it sounds good. I need to do a music test, but they sound pretty good so far. And I'm gonna take off this headphone, the right one, put that down, set it back in the charger. Can you say something for me? I didn't hear it. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a second. Did I do it right? Oh. Alright, I can hear it say power on in that one. Hello? Oh, I can hear it. Okay. Alright. I think I accidentally paired it up wrong. I paired up this side and I didn't pair up the other side as well. So, I guess I'm going to have to do that. But either way, I mean, it works. You can use them one at a time, or you can do both. Here, I'm going to put the other one in. Alright, can you say something for me? Alright, I can hear. They sound pretty good. Don't feel like they're gonna fall out or anything like that. Can you hear me perfectly fine? Alright, and she can hear me fine. So yeah, I mean, she's talking about the other headphones I had. I like the other headphones I had. They had cables and everything like that, and it was just, yeah. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I really like these. I like the way they feel and everything. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video here. If you wanna see like a review later on, you know, how I like them after like a week of using them, because I'm gonna be using them all week and everything, I'll go ahead and make that video too and post it. Just let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Merch link is in the description below. Make sure you check out some of the other videos on my channel. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. Yeah. What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts. And one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it.